Atakent Hospital, the glowing face of your health. Experience, technology, quality, interest. A person's most precious possession is her or his health. Health is life. We at Atakent Hospital know just how precious your health is. Not only are we proud of being Yalova's ever-expanding healthcare facility, we are more than delighted to offer you the best service possible. Being a mere half-hour away from the Sabiha Gökçen Airport by boat and a mere 1 hour and 25 minutes away from the new Istanbul Airport, we are committed to providing Yalova and the surrounding region with high-quality and reliable healthcare. We are situated less than 20 minutes away from the Osman Gazi Bridge, meaning that we are close to the city of Bursa as well. Part of being a pioneer in the field of health in this easy-to-access, nature-laced, quaint city means that we all have our patients and guests and welcome them with warm smiles on our faces. Launched in 2017, our hospital houses 1 nuclear medicine unit and 43 intensive care units, alongside 5 fully equipped high-tech operating theaters, 203 beds, and a parking lot, all within an enclosed 15,000 square meter space. In 2018, we added a surgical medical center in the district of Orhan Gazi, an area that is pivotal to the entire region. Our professional staff of 450 experts is ready to cater to your every need. Putting patient safety first, we ensure that our patients receive training as well as consult with doctors in order to chart out the best course of medical care that fits their needs. All our spinal health, specific diagnosis treatment, physical therapy, and rehabilitation units are equipped with the latest state-of-the-art technology. We also treat hernia, paralysis, and various orthopedic diseases using robots alongside hydro and manual therapy. Likewise, our understanding team of physicians successfully perform high-level surgery using the latest in advanced surgical techniques. Our facility is equipped with the necessary infrastructure to handle all your dental hygiene needs within 1 visit. We provide our patients with VIP treatment in inpatient rooms lined with 5-star hotel comfort. At our aesthetic surgery center, as well as hair transplant unit, we know just how valuable your youth is and try to reflect and restore that using the latest aesthetic techniques. You can place your health in our hands. We apply our wealth of knowledge and experience to ensuring that more and more people every year get a second chance at life. Moreover, we understand and speak your language. Atakent Hospital, the glowing face of your health.